Hello guys, today let me show you how to recover your forgotten account. Oh, your forgotten password. No. So this is my username. And you forgot your password. Oh no, I think it's you. You saw. And the real one is D. And you think it's A and you didn't notice it. And you press login and it didn't work. You see, this is my real password. Bruh, it's not my real password. Don't try to log in there. And tell you, step 1, press that button like this. Forgot. That's my username. Okay, but you need your but go on password. So you need to use email. When you got your abandoned email account, then go to phone number. When you are 13 years old or under 13 and you use your real email and you cannot get it back because it's banned, or you just sorry. So when you do it, so it's banned for being underage and you cannot recover it back, or you added step 2 verification. Don't worry, let me show you how to do it, guys. Yo guys, step 1, go to Roblox support. Okay, Roblox support. Then go to Roblox support. And once you have to fill your Roblox password, and you have to just type in your address, your email address. Although my age is under 13, so I don't need to enter my real password, the real one, guys. So at least I'm on mobile. Okay, so use account hacked or account to log in. Okay, but if you are account hacked and he changed your birthday, go to account hacked. When you forgot your password, then press this. Pretend you forgot your password though. Okay, say hello and maybe dear Roblox. But you forgot it, and I knew it. He was going to ask you for your birthday. Team, I forgot my Roblox username and password. I want to get into my account, but I cannot do it anymore. And you got verification, but at least you got your email, but you email's banned. Say I used my real email and it's banned for underage, and I was underage to get a YouTube. Oh no, sorry, YouTube channel, and I got deleted, so I added my new email address. Thanks. Okay, I'm done. So you done. Then you press the submit button and you can get the code. Let me copy this real quick. Okay, though I'm going to copy it and paste it on Notepad, so I don't have to forget it. Notepad. Okay, Notepad. maybe I don't need it there. And because I already saved, it's coming. Okay, so do I have to? So you got the email number. Then you have to type in the recording video. It's okay. What's the recording video? It's okay. So guys, you have to enter the agreement security code number. So guys, let's copy this, but you are under the D. Don't worry, if you're under 30, I got an idea. Put a random birthday over 18 years old. Then type in anywhere. Okay, so type in this one. Because you don't need this account though. Then see, you are done. So next step, your bacon dough. That's bad. So go to customize, go to that. So guys, press this button and type in your code. Don't worry, it's going to work. Don't worry. Press save. Don't worry, it's going to work, guys. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like and subscribe for more videos, guys. Thank you, guys. See you next time.